Hello students, welcome to business studies class, and today we will study the new chapter, and that is the chapter number 5, emerging modes of business. So mainly in this chapter we are going to study few things which I am going to highlight. See, I tell you that if I talk that before 15 or 20 years or before 10 years, if I talk that I want to start my online business, that was not possible, just because all people, they were believing in traditional business कि अगर आपके पास shop है, if you have a particular location and if you are selling something, then only they were considering it as a business. But today the scenario has changed. You must have heard many stories that two boys are sitting in a room and they just have got the idea and they just have started a website, and today the website is earning like anything, right? And many more stories we have heard that they all have started online, they don't have particular location, and they're just sitting in a room, they just they are just operating their laptops and they are dealing the business and they are earning very well. The scenario has completely changed. So today we are going to study the updated version of business. The traditional scenario has completely changed. So that we are going to study in this chapter. Mainly in this chapter we are going to study two aspects. One is a digital business, that is a e-business, and the second is outsourcing. Outsourcing definitely would be a new word for you. E-business you must have heard a lot of time. So we will study in detail that what is a e-business. Let me go with the introduction. And I have already explained here, you can see that in this chapter you can study the digitalization, the outsourcing and internationalization. So digitalization and outsourcing we will study right now. See, first of all, e-business. Here there are two concepts, e-commerce. Okay, now let's understand in a detail. I am not going to read one line, but here I will explain you. You must have heard these two words, that e-business and e-commerce. Let's understand what is e-commerce. If I am purchasing and selling my goods online, okay, if I'm purchasing goods online or if I'm selling my goods online, so when the purchasing and selling things, the purchasing and selling things involved, that comes in e-commerce. While e-business is like everything you are doing online, either it is a purchasing, either it is a if you are ordering something, or either you are doing advertising, or either you are making a call, or you are contacting with the customers. So everything, or you are doing your publicity, everything, whenever we are doing it online, that is known as e-business. Now e-commerce is a very short part or short topic of e-business. It's a part of e-business. So ultimately e-business, that means how much digitalization we have adopted. As I said, before 20 years we cannot think that we can sit in a room and we can operate a business. No, it was not possible. Before 15 years or 10 years it was not possible to pay online. Today we are just taking our phone and we are just ordering online, we are just paying online, we are making everything online. You see the situation of lockdown, the many things you must have seen. Those who are not using online system, they also have started using online system. Why? Because the pandemic was such that you cannot contact with anyone, so everything they were doing online, and we are studying online. So that is a digitalization. I think it is very fruitful. I tell you, many of the companies, what they do, गूगल ये पैंडमिक अभी आया है, एंड वर्क फ्रॉम होम, वी हैव हर्ड मैनी कंसेप्ट, वर्क फ्रॉम होम, स्टडी फ्रॉम होम, बट द गूगल, दिस अप्रोच दे हैव अडॉप्टेड वेरी अर्लियर, that any of the employee, if they don't want to go there at the office, if they are not well, or if they have something at home, they can sit at home and they can do their work from home. So Google have adopted this approach from before many years, and today many of the companies have adopted this approach because of this pandemic, right? So digitalization is very, very necessary and was required. There are